Alright, here's an easy way to get to the Annihilator police helicopter in East Holland of Grand Theft Auto 4. You simply drive up to the building. You get out and you run to this corner on this dumpster. You jump on top of the dumpster. And you jump again. And he'll grab the air duct. And you simply walk across the air duct, grab onto this, jump again, you'll climb up on top of it. Straighten yourself out against the wall, jump one more time, and there you are, on the roof. So, you can just run around and use the steps, or you can just climb on top of it. But as long as you already don't have a wanted level, the cops guarding this helicopter usually can't get to you. So as soon as you get in, immediately take off and have fun.